Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria, and in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to place your order on pinduoduo using your WeChat to make payments. Okay, in my previous video I was able to explain to you guys step by step on how you can place your order using your Alipay toolpass, but this one right here I'm going to I decided to make another video on how you can place the order using your WeChat Pay as a means of payment. Okay, most especially if you are foreigners, and that means if you are not a Chinese. So now one thing you need to know is that you need to have some cash on the ATM card you link your WeChat Pay with, so that they will be able to charge you once they want to confirm your payment. So when you have money on the card, then definitely you will be able to make payment using your WeChat Pay, which is the card you link with your WeChat already. Okay, but for you guys to understand all this thing I'm explained verbally, I'm going to put it in a practical way so you can see how things are done. But before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel. And also, don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon, so whenever I upload content about importation from China and some other country, you'll be able to watch the video, and then you'll learn one or two things in the video. And lastly, but not the least, if you would like me to procure your link from pinduoduo, Tahoba, or 1688, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you want me to teach you on how you can do it by yourself, that is an importation you can do without using any agent, you can as well feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. So let's get to the practical started. Now, but before you can make a purchase decision on the system on pinduoduo, you need to do some search. Like you need to search for the product, you need to know the quality of the product, and you need to see some previous buyer review from the product, and also you need to chat the supplier before you can make your final decision. I have made a lot of video on this. All you have to do is to check the playlist of the importation class video, and you watch those videos, then you'll be able to understand that. So now I'm going straight to my pinduoduo app and show you some of the steps I've already taken before I can purchase from this particular supplier. Okay, so now I'm going to where's my pinduoduo app? Where are you? Okay, so this is my pinduoduo app right here. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now, when I get to my pinduoduo app, and the next thing I'm going to do is to go through my message box right here. So I have chatted with the supplier. So we have reached some certain stage that make me decide to purchase from them. So this is the new supplier I'm going to buy from in this pinduoduo app. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now you can see our chat here. I have even sent a picture of the boy that I want to use the clothes to the supplier. You can see this supplier now, they don't understand English language, but with my keyboard and Swift translator, so I was able to chat them up with Chinese character, and we are able to understand ourselves. So now this is the size recommended by the supplier. Okay, so and I even screenshot the sales page, and so the next thing I'm going to do is to just place the order right away. So once I'm satisfied with the purchase, so I have to click on the top here to enter the supplier shop again. So don't forget, this time around we are paying with our WeChat Pay. Okay, so and this is the product link right here. This is the product link. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when it's open up like this, then I have to click on this red big button right here. So it's load up. I'm not using my alley. Okay, so you have to scroll down. So when you scroll down, then you select the size. So I'm taking 130 centimeter. So for me to be sure of what I'm trying to do, you can just click on this place here to make sure that you see the picture in full. So this one is 73, and but I'm buying. So you need to take note of some things. You can see this one is also 130 at a 68 price, but that's not what I need. So continue to scroll. This is not what I need. This is not what I need, and this is not. So continue to scroll, and continue to scroll up. It's not what I need. It's going to be size 130. Okay, let me go back to the sales page. I think I know I'm taking 130. So size 130. And then here, I have to change the payment mode now. So you have to click on here. So I'm paying with my WeChat Pay. You can see WeChat Pay here when I select it. So you can see WeChat Pay right here. So I'm paying with my WeChat. Okay, it has been effect. So you can see amount I'm paying now for this is 78 RMB. 78 RMB for size 130. You can see it there. So I'll click on pay now after selecting my WeChat Pay. So then go to connect your WeChat, just like what you see on the screen right here. So you can see that WeChat Pay is connecting. Then you need to click on, sorry. So you can see it has loaded up to the full page. Now, here you need to click on this red bar here to initiate the payment. So I'm paying the sum of 78 RMB for this particular product. So I'm going to click on this red button to pay now with my WeChat Pay. So the next thing you have to do is to click on pay now. Then you'll be